I'm gonna show you guys my YouTube channel that I already have created from last year's remote learning. So let's see, we're gonna go to YouTube and I need to go to a different account. Let's go to this account. Okay, I'm gonna go to
Hey guys, it's Bones here.
I don't want YouTube TV. I want to go to my channel. So I'm going to go to your channel. And here are all of my videos. I've done videos that are songs. I've made pre-recorded videos. I've also done some science projects and some art projects, and a little bit of cooking as well. I have some letter recognition songs, and I also have a workout video. So you can access any of these if you just look up Emily Gould, and I have 24 subscribers, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's that. I hope you go visit my channel. I'll post this one on there too.